If you want to work on with your file in another computer, you may want to package it first because the fonts, the image and other elements that is included on the design may not be available in the other computer if you just copy the file over. So the proper method is to package it, and to do that you can go to file right here, and over here there is export option, and in export option you can see that there's save to another computer. This is the wizard we should go through, and if we were to click it, you can see that you can pack, you can start up the pack and go wizard. So let me just click it, and over here you can see that you can embed fonts and include the link graphics just like that. So let me press next, and over here you can choose choose whether to burn it on disk or store it to removable storage. I'm just gonna say other location, and I'm going to save it simply on my desktop just like that, and I'm going to select it. So over here I'm gonna press next, and you can see that I have an option whether to include the fonts or not. If you usually have a system default font, then you may not need to embed the TrueType font. In my case, I may not have it, so I can simply embed the TrueType fonts right there just to be safe. So if the other computer does not have the font, it'll load up the font from the file being packaged over here. So you can include all the link graphics and create links for embedded graphics here itself as well. So it includes all the graphics that are present. So I can press next, and over here you can see that it'll compress and save the file onto my desktop, and I'm going to press finish. So the publication has been packed just like that. Once I do that, I can go on to my desktop over here, and here is my publication as you can see, and I can simply extract this right here. So you can see that on my publication, you can see that the files, the images are being saved just like that. It is being exported, and the publication is there. The publication file is there. So even if the file is opened up in another computer, the file will work as normal, and all of the contents needed to work with the file is present there over there. So hope you guys learned something as always, and as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.